I don't know if this will work. Just want to say that right off the bat, but that tends to be how most of my good ideas and hacks start off. They tend to start off as, I've got no idea if this will work, let's give it a shot. But here's what I'm thinking, all right? Let's take a look at this. So here is the URL, what's called a search string for Amazon. So here's the search string for Amazon. Let's just go and take a bit of a look at it. And I'm going to actually just put the whole thing into this question area so you can see it. All right, send to all. And there's a whole lot of shit in there that I'm not going to go through. I cover all of the search string in my Amazon SEO course. I don't want to get into it right now, all right? But if you notice, there's a lot of stuff in there. Let's just get rid of most of the stuff to leave us with just some interesting stuff. So now what we've got is the ASIN number, just there. That's the ASIN number for the product. And that information there, you will notice, is taken from this information here. So what you tend to find is the search string draws information from the title tag, which is what this is, the title tag of the listing, all right? So that got me thinking, I wonder if this search string here, I wonder if this title tag information can be manipulated. And I wonder if we do manipulate it, what would happen? What would happen? So let's firstly just try manipulating that information, see what happens. Neil. So now I've got Neil-Asher is awesome, which I think we can all agree is bloody awesome. So Neil-Asher is awesome /DP/ASIN number. Now, will that work? Let's go and have a look. Ooh, that's interesting, don't you think? So no matter what I put in that area there, it works. The listing still shows. The search string still shows. So that got me thinking, how can I use that? How can I gain an advantage on Amazon from that? And so here's what I am thinking. What I'm thinking is, what would happen if I put together my own information that I want in there? So let's suppose there's some keywords I really want to get indexed for my product on Amazon. And indexed means that Amazon links up your product with those search terms. That's indexing, that's what it means. Can I use that fact of what I've just shown you to get indexed really quickly and therefore ranked really quickly for products? So could I get, for instance, if somebody typed in Neil is awesome, could I get this product to show up on page 1, position 1 of Amazon? Now that for me is a very interesting question, because if I could, it means I can then use that URL to get my product indexed and ranked for a whole heap of different things that will help me make what's called long tail search results for, get ranked for long tail search results. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't know if it will work, but I thought it'd be interesting to show you, at least to understand the philosophy and the thought process behind coming up with these hacks for Amazon. So that's what I'm going to work on. So what I'm going to do is well, we could just do it on this one. We could just see if I can get this product indexed for Neil-Asher is awesome to rank. That would be kind of funny. But I'll choose a product and we'll do something crazy, and I'll show you next week if it worked. I don't know if it will work. Sometimes these things work, sometimes they don't work, but you don't know unless you have a go. So that's what we're going to do. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.